What's up, everybody? Landon with LMR.com. We're checking out the SVE wheels S89, designed specifically for the Fox Body Mustang in 5 lug with a 17x8 front or square setup, and then a 17x9 only. A million ways to describe a wheel, but kind of the way we're describing this is a stepped 5-spoke design. I'm kind of calling it a blocky 5-spoke. That's just kind of what rolls off my tongue. But this wheel design definitely pays homage to the late 80s, early 90s wheels that you would see in that time period on Fox Body Mustang. So 4 really good finishes. We're gonna have gloss black, gloss gunmetal, gloss gold.
I want to know what a gold. I want the gold.
And then gloss white. Reason why I say gloss is because each finish has a gloss clear coat applied, which is going to make cleanup an absolute breeze. Both the 17x8 and 17x9 incorporate a machine lip. The 17x9 wheel having just a little bit deeper lip because of the overall width. These wheels are going to be constructed using the flow forming process, which allows for a little bit lighter and stronger wheel compared to a traditional cast wheel. All right, now let's go ahead and nerd out over some wheel specs. The 17x8 will be 17 inches in diameter, 8 inches wide. We'll have a offset of positive 19 millimeter, backspace of 5.25 inches. And this wheel's pretty light considering the flow form construction. It tips the scale at about 17.8 pounds without a tire. Out back, the 17x9 will be 17 inches in diameter, 9 inches wide. We'll have a offset of positive 20 millimeter, backspacing of 5.79 inches. And then it's gonna tip the scale at about 19.5 pounds without a tire. We sell this in a few different flavors, just like we always do all of our SVE wheels. Wheel only kits and then wheel and tire kits. When you get into the wheel only and wheel and tire kits, we do provide spline drive lug nuts. It's the long shank version because to us, that is what fits the wheel the best. It gets it just inside of the lug hole cavity. You don't have it kind of disappearing within that lug hole. So as far as fitment notes go, we know there's a long list when it comes to Fox Body Mustang. We'll have that on the product page, but the one we want to talk about specifically is on the white car you're seeing in this video. That is Trey Sandoff's car. It's a 1989 GT that he has outfitted with the Celine ground effects. It's a really good looking car, really clean car. That car has an SN95 rear end, brake setup, etc. So that's going to kick the track width out just a little bit. Trey has to run 17x8 square. With the SN95 rear, he cannot run the 17x9 because it's gonna poke too much and he's gonna have some tire defender issues. So if you're running an SN95 rear and your Fox with the SN95 linked axles, a brake setup, you'll have to stick to the 17x8 in the rear. All right, everybody, so that's a good rundown on the S89. I really like this wheel. I'm especially liking this white with this B5 blue. That's a Chrysler blue. I know all of you are probably gonna, or at least some of you are gonna ask down in the comments, this is Chrysler B5 blue, but with this white and even the gold, it really pops. Kind of breaks up the norm of what you see of, you know, kind of silver, gunmetal, black, so on and so forth. But hey, at the end of the day, that's why we have 4 finishes. You can buy the finish you like and what you think is gonna look best on your car. So that's a wrap. Hope y'all appreciated this one. If you find value in what we're doing, please consider liking the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and then until we see you in the next one, for all things Fox Body, keep it right here with the Real Enthusiasts, LMR.com.